Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Costway Twin Tub and the Grinchat Portable Mini Washer. If you're in the market for a compact washing solution, you've come to the right place. The Costway Twin Tub offers a robust 26 pounds capacity, making it ideal for larger loads, while the Grinchat Mini Washer is perfect for small items and offers incredible portability. In this video, we'll delve into their features, compare their performance, and help you determine which one fits your lifestyle best. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Costway Twin Tub stands out with its impressive 26 pounds total capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads in one go. This makes it an excellent choice for families or anyone with substantial laundry needs. In contrast, the Grinchat Portable Mini Washer has a much smaller capacity of 16 liters, which is suitable primarily for delicate items like underwear and baby clothes. While the Grinchat is ultra-portable, its limited capacity means you'll need to do multiple loads for larger items. Portability is another crucial factor to consider. The Costway Twin Tub, while powerful, is quite heavy and bulky, weighing in at 39.25 pounds. This makes it less convenient for frequent movement, especially in tight spaces like apartments. On the other hand, the Grinchat Portable Mini Washer is incredibly lightweight at just 3.5 pounds and can be folded down to half its height, making it easy to store and transport. If you're looking for a washer that you can easily take with you on trips or store away when not in use, the Grinchat is the clear winner. Functionality is where these two machines diverge significantly. The Costway Twin Tub not only washes, but also features a dedicated spin dryer that can dry clothes up to 90%, making it a comprehensive laundry solution. In contrast, the Grinchat Mini Washer is designed solely for washing and lacks any spinning capability, meaning clothes come out soaking wet and require manual wringing. This difference can greatly affect your laundry experience, especially if you're looking for a quick and efficient way to dry your clothes. In conclusion, both the Costway Twin Tub and the Grinchat Portable Mini Washer have their unique strengths. The Costway is perfect for those needing a high-capacity, multifunctional washer, while the Grinchat excels in portability and ease of use for small items. Depending on your laundry needs and living situation, one of these machines could be the perfect fit for you. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like